And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car is running. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey premium remote start. I'm going to be working on the Hyundai Sonata. It is suitable for 2015 through 2019 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You need to cut any wires, and it also comes with two additional functions: smart timer and automatic door lock unlock. I'm going to show you how it works after I install this. This product is designed for push button start system. So if you have a regular key start, we have a different video for you, but for this model, we're going to be working with the push button. And also this remote start works with your original key. And now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get a set of wires and a module. And for this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. 1 is up, 2 is down, 3 is up, and 4 is down, and everything else is up. And a quick tip, if you don't want your car to be flashing after your remote started, drop this third switch on the right side down. First things first, we need to take this panel out. So I have to press a little pin inside, like this, one in the middle, and one on the left side, and pull the panel out. All we're doing is we're pressing this pin, we're squeezing it and pulling it down. We're going to be installing the connectors and the module right over here. We're going to be unplugging these 3 connectors. All you gotta do is press a little pin in the connector, wiggle it around, pull it down. All we're doing is we're pressing this pin side to side and down. Same thing with the other ones. Now we got these 3 connectors. I'm going to be connecting them into MyKey Premium T-harness. Every single connector is a different size, so you're not going to mismatch them. Gray with gray, black with black, and the last one, it's a smaller connector. We're going to be connecting into a gray one, just like that. And now these 3 connectors will go back into your car's module. The closest one to you is gray. Always when you plug them in, make sure it's all the way in and make sure it clicks. Just like that. And now we're going to be connecting to MyKey Premium module. First one is the data connector, looks like this. And the last one is power connector. Always goes last. And before you put it away, make sure you test it first. If everything works as it should, then you could simply tuck it in right over here and put the panel back in here. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car is running. And once you're inside the car is still running. It's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. And it also comes with additional function, smart timer. Now you're going to be able to leave your car running, step outside, lock it, and the car will remain running for 20 minutes. Check this out. Here you go, the car is locked. And here's the additional functions: automatic door lock and unlock. And this is how it works. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna lock the car for you and I'm gonna approach it. And here you go, the car is unlocked. And once I leave, the car will lock itself. And here you go, the car is locked. To activate or deactivate these additional functions, all you have to do is lock your car, press the brake, hold it, and press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. You're gonna hear either 2 beeps or 1 beep in return. 1 beep means the functions are off, and 2 beeps means the functions are on. So follow the same procedure if you wanted to turn it on or turn it off. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave the comment down below if you installed this remote start kit in your Sonata. Thank you guys. Cheers.